going to be putting some unequal length headers on the BRZ.
This is going to be the last startup you will hear with the stock headers. Also, I lowered it, taillights, spoiler, all new. Alright, so here are the headers that I got. So I got JDL unequal length catless. I got these second hand because a lot of them are in back order.
Go. Now. Oh. Carly. Did you really just trip over my metal? Are you okay? Are you okay? I didn't manage to only hit one, but I hit 3 toes in the top of my left foot.
Oh, happy.
Oh.
Hello.
I hurt myself trying to get it. Oh, it hurts so much.
What you're going to do is, when I get the last one out, you're going to hold it. Bring that exhaust over here.
Are we gonna what's it called?
You're going to do it. So you don't go fast. Put your finger in between here. You want to go about that? Ground strap disconnected. Ground?
What is that too?
I don't know.
You want me to start it?
I'm gonna start it.
No, I start it.
But you're not going to get the video.
You record it. I want to start it. I want to start it.
I want to start it.
I want to start it. No, this is not, no.
I want to start it.
Shut up.
Watch it sound like that.
How you feeling?
Tired. Snap it again.
Huh?
Snap it.
I want to drive it.
How you feeling?
Welcome to my crib.
You live
I
in your
couldn't
car?
afford a house because I bought this car. Car was worth $500. Spent $8,000 on it just to get it here. You know, left-hand drive, the only one in the States. Spent like $19,000 just to start it up. And then I paid for the car. Fucking wild, man. I had to sell one of the kids, but it was definitely worth it.
Oh, you could feel the rumble. You could feel the rumble. I am very excited.
Charlie dropped the box.
like my car. Charlie!
It sounds good.
It sounds so good.
I approve.
I am.
after installing the headers. I'm going to an isolated spot right now to get some more clips for you guys.